Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to automate blog posts. Firstly, head to the new e-link website and create a free account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Automation on the left side navbar. Select Add Automation at the top right of the screen. Then scroll down, locate Blogger, and then click on Add Automation. Now enter your Blogger link. Just copy and paste your Blogger link into the designated field. Then, after that, click Add Blogger Automation. And that's it. Your blog articles will now be automatically synced to your collection, including both existing and future posts. And that's it. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.